Oh, the fact that you speak about the American Constitution doesn't mean that everything in their Constitution is what we have here. We are looking at the LGBTQ issues in Ghana, which they think should be different from what obtains in America. And you see the results of Trump coming in, and they are now claiming that, this wokeism, you get up and talk about any nonsense, anybody can be anything, and the rest. It appears the American conservatives in society doesn't really want it, and things like that. So it's not like that. I mean, we say in constitutional interpretation that every constitution is sua generis. In other words, you look at your local circumstances in order to interpret your constitution.
On the matter of LGBTQ for legal purposes, we went to school as children and through secondary school and through university, and we found that there were some very effeminate men who were even called, we had a name for them. And they say, what does not exist in your culture does not have a name. We called them Kojo, besia. And we had, Amatazan, women who were like men. You would think they were boys, but for the fact that they had certain body parts that, girls had. Are we saying we should ostracize them from society?
No, it's a promotion that they are talking about. But these are natural people who have the natural defects, like me.
Should we call them defects?
When you wear this no collar thing, you look like a female, and things, your body and all that. You may, those who, right from their youth, you see clearly that they are not.
But should we call those defects, or should we call them just different from what we are used to see?
That is why we tolerate them. We have already tolerated them and called them Kojo, besia. Now, should we promote it and tell a girl that, look, you are born naturally a girl, but if you feel like a boy, do transgender things and call yourself a boy? Is it proper? You are promoting and helping them. People who may not have that idea. It's like when we're growing up, you do recall, if you try to write with your left,
I'm left-handed.
They will beat you.
No, a teacher tried, and my father came to the school and won. My father came to the school and won.
You are very lucky.
But you see, doesn't that tell us that we ourselves were very feeble-minded, and that maybe we're doing the same mistakes with these people who haven't gone out of their way to offend anybody, but may have been born a certain way?
And we are saying it is the promotion. That's what I understand.
So what do we want them to do? We want them to exist, but they should hide?
All those we call Kojo, besia, we know them. A lot of them, the men went into.
So what do we want them to do?
We know them.
So what do we want them to do?
Let them live. Let them exist.
Should they hide, or should they just live their lives freely?
I don't think that law is aimed towards them. They are saying the promotion, trying to teach people about gender and the rest, is what we don't want. It is not, that is what they are complaining. I think you are born that way, want to live that. Please go on and live that way. We know you. We call you Kojo, besia. It's okay for us. It's okay for us. But should we consciously, somebody tells me that in America they are fans, and so they bring the fans here and want to promote it in our schools?
No.
Or if you sign it into law, we are going to withhold our aid to you. So don't sign. What do you think they are doing?
Why do you need aid in